Good afternoon everyone, I hope you're well. This is Andy at Audi Upgrades. Today I've had a returning customer come back to me with their absolutely stunning 2023 Audi RS6 Avant in a gorgeous Daytona Grey. This car is an absolute weapon of a vehicle and I'm in love with this vehicle, and I one day dream of having such a car myself. But we've done a few bits of work on this car before, like garage home link, we put a ghost immobiliser on it and a few other bits. And today the customer's come back to me because we're going to do a first, what we believe, for the UK, and we're going to be fitting night vision to this 2023 Audi RS6. So in my hand is the night vision camera that goes into the front grille. So we're going to have the front bumper off, going to get the camera fitted, get it plumbed into the vehicle, and then we've got to take the passenger seat out, we've got to take a bit of the dash apart, got to take the virtual cockpit out, got to run in some cabling, some wiring, some brackets, bits and bobs, the actual night vision brain itself, which does the image processing. And then once that's all done, we're going to get it coded up to factory specifications, and then of course at the end, night vision system needs calibrating. So we're going to set up the calibration equipment that we have here on site, and we'll get the system fully calibrated. So we're going to take loads of pictures as we go through this, and if we can, maybe some videos, and then obviously a video at the end, and then I'll do my best to stitch this all together, and hopefully it'll be a great video and a great outcome. So really looking forward to getting started on this. This kind of retrofit typically takes around 6 hours to do, but given this is a 2023 Audi RS6, definitely one to take my time, so we might take a bit longer on this. Don't like to rush these kind of things. So I'm kind of allowing for 8 hours worth of work here, but we'll see how we get on, and I will keep you guys posted. So hope that was of interest. Looking forward to get this done, and many thanks.